So you know, when I'm working on my 1986 S10, I talk about how I would take one of those any day over one of these modern vehicles. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This is my 2015 Ford F150. As you can see, the center console is currently blown apart. And the reason for that lies all the way back here. I don't know if it's going to focus on it, but you see that little white label back there? Yeah, that's the blend door actuator that has gone out. And the Ford service manual says that the entire dash has to come out and be pulled forward in order to access it. Luckily, there's been some enterprising individuals that give you instructions on how to do it without pulling the dash. However, all you have is this little space to squeeze your arm into, and you're pretty much elbows deep into this thing, literally. I mean, I'm not even exaggerating. I'll try to give you an example here. So you reach in here around the vent duct. There's my elbow. Let me find the screw, and there's no way to see what you're doing, and so everything is done by feel. So if you listen, there we go. I'm putting the screws in. I already pulled out the old one. I'm putting the new one in. It's always a leap of faith when you're pulling all these panels off. Everything's attached with these little orange clips that are plastic. So far, nothing's broken, so I consider myself lucky. But that is definitely a chore. I'm just glad that I am able to do it without pulling the dash, because I was probably going to, if I had to pull the dash, I'd probably say passenger side's out of luck. No heat for them this winter. So modern vehicle owners, I'm sure you feel my pain. I mean, modern vehicles are nice and luxurious, especially this truck. This is a Platinum. It's got all the options. It's nice. It's a good truck. I like it for long trips especially. But man, when they break, and it's a pain. I recently had to replace my starter for the second time in 2 years. I still have PTSD over the turbo coolant lines that I had to replace on the driver's side, and then when I was replacing the starter, I noticed that now the passenger turbo cooling lines are leaking, and I'm not looking forward to that. I already have the parts because I knew it was going to happen, but I'm going to wait till the springtime. Hopefully I can make it to the springtime before I have to deal with that. Anyway, just thought I'd share a little bit of my misery with you today. I'm going to link that video of the tutorial for this just in case you're looking for something like that, because that was a godsend. I mean, this guy is a saint. I'm going to make sure I like, subscribe, and comment on his video to let him know how helpful his video was, because it was very, very informative step-by-step video. So I'll link it down in the description below. Thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you next time.